Gusto ko, curious lang ako bilang nakikita ko nga kayo madalas. Gaano ba talaga, how much guts does it take to be her daughter? Only daughter pa.
My gosh, you need a lot of guts. I mean, it's tough in the sense that she expresses what she feels, and whatever she wants, whatever she says, sometimes it can be overbearing. And me, because she raised me in the States, she raised me to be an independent woman. I won't accept what she says sometimes, and I have to reason out. And doon kami nagkakaroon ng pagtatalo. Kasi I'm not the type that will just say yes, but sa tingin ko naman, wala akong ginagawang masama. And I think through the years, gano'n ang nangyayari. But like I said, when it comes to trials, we've been through so many ups and downs. When each one of us are down, I know that we will eliminate all those problems at magkakabati-bati din kami.
So, sa namin ang naging awit, pag-ibig niya ni Tita Annabel, saan point in your life na masasabi mo na tama pala siya?
Well, when I was 15, syempre, that was such a long time ago. Nangyayari kasi ngayon, my mom thinks I'm still 15. So, when I was 15, when I was younger, talagang mahigpit siya. And I appreciate the fact na naghigpit siya noon. And siguro, I have 2 daughters now. Ganun din ang gagawin ko. Siyempre, higpitan ko din sila. Dahil dalawang babae sila. So, nagpapasalamat ako na hinigpitan ako nung araw na hindi ako nabuntis out of wedlock or hindi ako nabuntis sa saan. Even if my marriage didn't work out, I married for love. And I have 2 beautiful children, Lorene and Dennis. So, even though I learned so much from that experience, ang gusto ko lang kasi, it's my life, diba? I want to be able to make those mistakes and learn from them.
Lately ba, hindi pa kayo nakakapag-usap? Or ikaw, in-approach mo man lang ba siya? Parang to settle everything?
Like what she said,
time is every day. Through Instagram or like in Mother's Day, diba? Trinay mo to greet her. Yung personally sa bahay o kung ano, wala pang ganong instance na
siguro timing is everything. And right now, family yung hello. Hi.
Thank you, Rufa. Kay Richard naman siya kay Raymond. Kung kanina si Tito Eddie tinanong kung how does it feel every time may away si Tita Annabel at si Rufa. Kayo, yung talaga na, kasi kanina sinasaway yata ni Raymond si Tita Annabel nung unang nagsasalita siya about the rift. How does it feel na every time nagkakaano sila?
I mean, that's just like asking any other child, how does it feel if 2 family members are fighting? I mean, you can't take sides. You have to understand the situation and live your own life. So I feel like everyone on this table is grown up enough to deal with their issues, and we give advice when we're asked, and we give support when we need to. But at the end of the day, to each his own, and we're just here as a family, and we try to understand the situation and we move forward. I don't want to dwell on it.
Well, you can't deny the fact that it creates a bit of tension and it creates a bit of awkwardness at home. And everybody can feel that. But, we just try to understand the situation. We try to understand both sides and look at the bigger picture. And we all know that, one day, hopefully soon, they'll see each other eye to eye and they'll understand each other. And like what I said, being a Gutierrez, you have to have a strong personality and, a lot of guts. So, my mom and my sister, they always clash, and, all our lives we've witnessed a lot of these tensions between the both of them. But, I know that one day they'll be fine and they'll see each other eye to eye, and we're still hoping that day will be sooner than later.
Thank you, Richard. Tita, last na. Tita, sa lahat ng sinabi ng mga anak mo sabi nga nila, it takes a lot of guts to be your child, no? At sa dami ng sa tingin mo, sinusuway ka nila or hindi nila sinusunod yung mga suggestions mo or payo mo sa kanila. Balik ka rin naman natin, sa kabilang banda, ano ba yung joy na maibibigay sa'yo ng Raymond, Rufa, and Richard na napaka-strong nga ng mga personalities bilang nanay nila?
Actually, pag away kami ni Rufa, lahat sila kakampi doon. Wala ko kakampi sa akin. Ako na lang naging mali. Lagi ako sinasabihan ni Raymond, magpamassage ka ako, magsuka daw ako. Ano ako, sila ulo, basta talang ako sisigaw, walang reason. There's always a reason, kaya ako nagagalit. Hindi na ako nagagalit na walang rason. Sila, kampihan sila, pati yung katabi ko, kumakampi din siguro kasi hindi naman siya maawat. Kaya, alam mo si Eddie, hindi ko siya mabibrain. Pag nag-away kami, talagang doon siya kumakampi, kaya nag-away rin kami lagi. Hindi niya pag kami dalawa lang, kampi na sa akin, intindihan daw niya. Kung pagharap ka lahat, hindi na ako kakampi niya. Sa akin pa siya galit. Kaya nag-away kami lagi niyan. Kasi kami dalawa lang sa kwarto, tama ka, ganyan. Akala ko galit na siya. Pag maharap-harapan na kami, sa akin na siya galit. Kaya ako nainis din sa kanya, wala akong kakampi, mag-isa na lang ako. Ay tama naman lahat ng ginagawa ko, wala akong ginawang mali. As a mother, napakahirap kaya palaki ng anim na mga matatagay, anim mga kakapang, gusto na napakahirap. Kaya mali pa sila, puro belt, puro walis ang tingting na ipapalo ko sa kanila para makakainit na sila. Pero until now, hindi ko kalain na paano sila lumaki, paano hindi nila magaling mag-i-English. Until now, pala ako na nag-iinit lang. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano sila napalaki ng ganyan. At least naman, hindi nila ako pinapakain. Nagtatrabaho ako para makakuha ako ng sarili kong gustong bilhin. Siyempre, binibigyan nila ako, pero binibigyan ko sa trabaho, para commission pa rin ako. Pero hindi ako maasa na kaupo lang naghihingi sa kanilang pera. Hindi. Kaya matapang ako, lumaban sa kanila dahil hindi ako palamunin nila. Nagtatrabaho ako. Yun lang ang aking ano.
Salamat, Tita Annabelle.
Okay, thank you.